Hey guys, it's Saga from TechWorks, and in this video, we unbox and take our first look at the new Samsung Galaxy M31. Without wasting any time, let's get to the unboxing. Here is the box that the Samsung Galaxy M31 comes in. It is available in two color options, Space Black and Ocean Blue. I went with the Ocean Blue color as I think it would show less fingerprints on its back. Quickly breaking the seal and opening the box, we have this envelope hidden inside the lid. It is having the SIM tray removal pin on the outside, and inside we have some paperwork like warranty and regulatory information and a user's guide. Samsung did not include a case in the box to help you protect your phone, which is a bit surprising since it is very rare these days to not get a case in the box, especially with these budget smartphones. Next up, we have the phone itself wrapped in plastic. I'm going to keep it aside for now and take a look at other things in the box. Below the phone, we have a 15-watt charger and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging your device. Alright, let me keep all these things aside and then I'll get back to the phone. After taking off all the plastic and these stickers at the back, I like how this color looks. Now this is a plastic back and not glass, but it is pretty shiny. I really wish Samsung gave us a case in the box because this phone is going to collect a lot of fingerprints and even scratches just by putting it on and off the table or even just by sliding in and out of your pocket. So if you're planning on getting this Samsung Galaxy M31, definitely get a case for it. This phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery inside, but it doesn't feel too heavy or massive in my hands. So thumbs up to Samsung for keeping its weight down. Taking a look around the device, at the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, a microphone, and a speaker grill. On the right, we have the power button and the volume up and down buttons above it. At the top, there is just a noise cancelling microphone. And on the left side, we get the SIM card tray. In this SIM tray, you can use two nano SIM cards and a micro SD card together. So you won't have to choose between having a second number or expanding your storage because you can have both. At the back, we have a physical fingerprint sensor. Now some of you don't like this and say that the phone doesn't feel new if it doesn't have an in-display fingerprint sensor. But I definitely prefer having a physical fingerprint sensor because these are usually more faster and accurate than the in-display ones. There are 4 cameras at the back. Primary one gets a 64MP sensor with f1.8 aperture. Next one has a 8MP sensor with f2.2 aperture and a 123° field of view. Then there is another 5MP sensor with f2.4 aperture, and this one is coupled with a macro lens. Finally, there is another 5MP sensor with f2.2 aperture, and this one is only used for sensing depth information for portrait shots. Moving to the front, we have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with an Infinity U cutout for the 32MP front-facing camera. I don't mind having this small notch above the display. It is not too intrusive while you are working on your phone or even while watching videos. The display gets a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. This M31 is running Samsung's One UI version 2 on top of Android 10. I did not mind using Samsung's One UI on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus last year. In fact, I enjoyed using it. So I might even like the second iteration of their software, which I hope must have got even better. As I am setting up this phone for the first time, everything feels pretty fast and snappy. There are some pre-installed apps that I see here, but the bloatware on this phone is nowhere as bad as the bloatware that we get on Redmi or Poco phones nowadays. Inside, the Galaxy M31 is powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 9611 processor, which if I am not wrong is the same one as the M30s came with. This processor is coupled with Mali G72 GPU. There is 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM for both the 64 and 128GB storage variants. And as I mentioned earlier, it packs in a massive 6000 mAh battery inside, which I am sure will last any one of you for well over a day and a half. And when it is time to charge it up, you can plug it into the 15-watt charger that comes with it. It would have been nice to see an 18-watt or even better yet a 27-watt fast charger to charge this massive battery. You get all the necessary sensors packed in here. There is support for dual VoLTE, and one of the most requested features in recent times, Wi-Fi calling is also present. The Camera 2 API is also enabled, so you can try and install Gcam mods if you wish. And you also get the wideband L1 support, so you can watch all your favorite shows on Amazon and Netflix in high definition. In terms of overall feel of the device, I think it fits pretty well in my hands, and despite of having a huge battery, it doesn't feel too bulky or heavy. I like that there is a physical fingerprint sensor to quickly unlock the phone, and the big and bright Super AMOLED screen is amazing for playing games and watching movies. I will be testing out its camera and its overall performance for the next few days, and I will have more to say about it in its full review. You should also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss the very detailed camera review of this Samsung Galaxy M31 that is going live on this channel in the next few days. So this has been the unboxing and few of my initial impressions about this Samsung Galaxy M31. Will it be as successful as the M30 that came out last year? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you are looking to buy this phone, I will leave a link to it in the description section. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.